Natale. I'm Valerie Delia, and in this special program, we are going to explore together the traditions of an Italian Christmas. We are going to become as Italian as possible during the Christmas holidays.
Abbiamo preso quello dolce perché la maggioranza erano donne.
Grazie, grazie.
Valerie?
Grazie, Lucia. We'll start right here in my ancestral village in southern Italy in the Campania region. This is Castelfranco in Miscano, province of Benevento, and I am standing right now in Bar Capricci, where to my right you will see this magnificent presepio, you may know it as a nativity scene, and this one is made with love by our cousin Carmela Caseria, who is the proprietor of the bar where it sits. There is also something called Presepe Vivente, which is like a theme park for a presepe. It's a nativity scene that comes to life. And Matera, the European capital of culture for this year, has a very special Presepe Vivente presentation. And locally, not too far from Castelfranco, there is a Presepe Vivente in a place called Basilicata, which is very elaborate.
The first who make vivent presepio was Saint Francis.
So what he did is one Christmas, he contacted a farmer and he said, may I use your land, may I use your cave? And what he staged was a first living presepio where he had the townspeople come and dressed in nativity clothes, and he had them bring their sheep and their goats and whatever.
So if you look closely at this presepe that lines this wall and has been on display for the past 18 years, every Christmas from about December 8th all the way through January 8th, you will see scenes that depict ordinary Italian life in a village. Some are even on display for the entire year. Basilicata region below Campania, there is a cantina where inside the wine cellar is this particular presepe, which people can see all year long. And a presepe is more important than the Christmas tree, than the Italian Santa Claus known as Babbo Natale, and even more important than La Befana.
La Befana is a wonderful little Italian legend. It's about an old lady, and she's usually dressed in rags. And the story goes, she was in her house busy cleaning and sweeping her floor. And these three kings come, and they're saying, you know, can you help us find where the Christ child is? She says, I'm too busy, I don't have the time. So they leave, and then she feels kind of badly. So she decides to bake, and she bakes lots of cookies and cakes and whatever, and she puts it in a basket. And then she's going from town to town looking for the Christ child, trying to catch up with the kings. And what she will do is she'll take the little cakes and cookies and she'll put them in the stockings of the little children. So it's sort of like a pre-Santa Claus, because Santa Claus for the Italians is a new concept.
There is nothing more important here than the Christ child, which is put into place on Christmas Eve.
And the night of the Nativity, we will sing Silent Night. Astro del cielo, tuo alto tu mite agnello